If you want to make big commissions online with your online marketing business, and I mean big commissions, $2,000 commissions, $3,200 commissions, then this is the video. I'm not talking about small commissions. I'm talking big commissions. Then you want to stick around till the end of this video because I'm going to show you live proof of just what's been happening today, right now, of members that are leveraging my affiliate campaign already making more than $2,000 a day, in some cases even $4,000 a day. How's it going? My name is David Dekel, in case we've never met before. And now let's dive straight into the video. I want to show you what's been happening in the group, because I'm sure that the first question that you have right now is, David, it's great that you're telling me that, I can earn $2,000 commissions, but is it working for other people other than yourself? Because it's one thing to see me making commissions, but you want to know, if you join as a member, can you potentially make commissions? Good question. Let me answer it for you right now. In fact, not just answer it, but let me do one better for you. I'm actually going to show you what members of this system, of this marketing campaign, that are leveraging my exact campaign. I do the work and you are the one that gets to keep all the commissions. I'm the one sending out the emails. I'm the one running the webinar. I'm the one that's creating all the videos and the web pages and everything that needs to be done. And you are the one that gets to keep all the commissions. Now, I know that you want to know if it works or not, so let's dive straight into that. This is the Facebook group, as you can see here, where I do the work and you are the one that gets to keep all the commissions. And again, let's answer the question, is it working for members? Because that's what you want to know, right? Is it working for members? So check this out. Just an hour ago, 1 hour ago, a member by the name of Garrett, this is what he posted. He said, look, I made $4,000 today thanks to David's system. $4,000. He said, look, be sure to go all in income stream number 1 and slam traffic to your link. Now, I actually show you how to do this. Check this out. This is the first one that he got just today. See, October. Here's one, 2,000. Here's the second one, 2,000. Together, that's $4,000 in a single day, in one day. Here's another one. Scott, 2 hours ago, posted this. He says, look, David Dekel, here we go again. $2,000 popped in while I was having dinner. Let's see what else he wrote here. Again, thanks for the tight follow-up. So listen, all of the emails I send out on your behalf, and he got, as you can see right here, multiple payments actually. Let's keep going. Jason. Okay, Jason posted this 3 hours ago. By the way, I've never met Jason. I don't know who he is. He doesn't, maybe he knows who I am, but I've never met him in person. This is not my high school buddy or anything. Check this out. It says, look, there's nothing like waking up to a cool $2,000 commission that came in overnight. So literally, he was sleeping when this thing came in. Now, I know that all of you are wondering, how much did I spend to make that money? Isn't that a question that you have, you watching this right now? The answer, nothing. Yeah, that's right, 0 ad spend. He did this with 100% free traffic. He says, look, I simply sent out an email and boom. And by the way, I provide you with exactly what to send, okay? So you don't need to, there's no guesswork with this, okay? I've set this up, I've tested this, I've stress tested it, I've battle tested it, and it works. Let's see what else Jason says. He says, look, the best part, I didn't have to bug my friends and family. Okay, this is not MLM. I'm not gonna send you to knock on doors with this. Okay, there's no friends, there's no family here. So look, because the system took care of all of that for me, as you can see right there. I gotta tell you, I've been successfully around the game for a while, and I've seen it all. But this program has a class all by itself. Thank you so much, David, for creating this powerful marketing system and making it available for all of us. We really appreciate you rolling up your sleeves and doing all the work so we can keep all the commissions. And there you can see the $2,000 commission that came in for him right there. And this is when it came in, which is today. And there he is, a very happy guy. So now let me ask you this again. The question here is simple. It's a yes or no question. It really is. It really is. Do you want me to roll up my sleeves and get to work on your behalf so you can start generating commissions online? Again, there's 3 simple steps, just like Jason went through it, Garrett went through it, Scott went through it. I'm going to show you a bunch more in just a second, because these are just today, but I've just shown you what came in just in the last 3 hours. Forget about yesterday, the day before. Like if I continue to show you what came in yesterday, the day before, we're going to be here for like 7 hours. Like that's not even covering the end of the week, like the beginning of the week. So this system works. This campaign works. It made me personally over 38,000. I've stopped counting. As of yesterday, the number was 37,000 in 22 days. Again, my results are not typical. This is not a guarantee you're going to earn that amount. It all really depends on what you do with what I'm going to give you. But there's 3 simple steps that we're all doing. Number 1, click the link below, go watch the webinar. You got to do that right now. I'm telling you with certainty. If this is important to you, drop whatever you're doing, click the link below, literally close the door, tell people don't bother me for the next hour. I need to watch this webinar. Do that right now. Close the door and go watch that webinar. Number 2, activate your income streams. In this system, you can actually earn multiple income streams, not just one. Imagine, I see people struggling to generate one affiliate commission. With this system, we generate up to 4 different commissions with the same traffic we're sending, which brings me to step number 3. After you get set up with the different income streams, at least do the first one to the highest level. You got to do that. Okay. Otherwise, what's the use? If I'm helping you generate a commission, you're not even qualified to earn it. Like, what are we even doing? You know what I mean? So the third step is I show you how to get traffic. I show you where to get it. I show you how to get it. You can get free traffic to this. You can also do paid traffic. You can outsource the traffic part if you don't want to deal with it. But in 18, 20 minutes a day, you can get free visitors to your affiliate link. And these are visitors that can potentially turn into big ticket commissions for you, like these $2,000, $3,200, $1,000 commissions. So let's keep going. Here's Tim, okay? Look at this. Tim just started, literally just started like a couple days ago. Wow, so excited. I reached number 6 already in 2 days. He's already on a leaderboard as a top 10 affiliate. Somebody that nobody ever heard of before. In 2 days, I put him on a leaderboard. Here's Simon. Check this out. Simon in his first, this is like, let's read this closely, okay? Read this really closely. Look what he says. This is 18 hours ago came in, okay? This is not even 24 hours ago. Another $2,000 just came in while he was eating lunch, enjoying a day at the beach. He's at the beach, okay? You don't need to sit in front of an office to do this. First 16 days of using this, he made $18,500 with this exact system. The same system. You can click down below and get yourself activated. Go watch the webinar. Get yourself started. The same system, he made $18,500. Now he says, look, if you're not using this system, and if you don't have income stream number 1 upgraded to Vertex Live, then you're missing out on a lot of money. 95% of the work is done for you, which is true. I do that. I do all the webinar, the emails, the follow-up, all of the tech stuff. You don't need to touch any of that. I handle all of that stuff. All you have to do is send some traffic, which I show you how. Generating traffic is simple, which it is. It really is. And there you go. There's the commission that came in for him, another $2,000, and in total he earned $18,500. Look at this. Nice day on the beach. You know, drinks, boiled eggs, croissants, you know, laptop is open, commissions are coming in. The good life, right? Check out Jeff. Just yesterday, woke up to a $2,000 commission. Now we're rolling into yesterday. But I mean, I could keep going here. Paulo, 22,000 in 22 days just from income stream number 1, as you can see right there. I mean, this is change. Here's Tim again, by the way. Tim with his very first commission, $2,000 while having fun. He was out there, you know, touring a place in Europe. So guys, here's what I want to do to end this video with. Number 1, click the link below, go watch the webinar. Number 2, get yourself set up. Make sure to get yourself to the first income stream at the highest level so you're qualified to earn those 100% $2,000 commissions. Not to mention that not only do I show you how to get traffic, but there's some traffic included as a bonus for you if you act before your welcome week expires, essentially, because depending on when you're watching this, it might already be gone. But depending on when you're watching this, it might still be available. So there's a bonus package that I've prepared that includes, it's over 11 grand in value. There's Traffic that's included, I literally give you my YouTube videos to use to generate traffic, the actual video files. You don't need to record a single thing if you don't want to. Even if you're camera shy, you don't even need to show your face anywhere. If you want to, that's great. But if you don't want to, that shouldn't stop you from generating traffic and commissions in your business. In addition to that, I give you a secret software that I use that I'm not mentioning that on any of my videos, but I want to show you that when you get to the webinar. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.